Feeding birds in your garden? You might be doing more harm than good. Let's fix that, now. Mistake number 1. Feeding them old or moldy seeds. This can cause infections and digestive issues, and it attracts harmful pests. Mistake number 2. Placing your bird feeder in a bad spot, like full sun or too close to predators. It puts them at serious risk. Mistake number 3. Offering only one kind of seed. Just like us, birds need a balanced diet. Mix it up with sunflower, millet, and Niger. Mistake number 4. Not cleaning your feeders. Dirty feeders spread disease, especially in crowded areas. Mistake number 5. Feeding bread, crackers, or snacks. These have zero nutrition and can harm or even kill birds over time. Want your feathered friends to thrive? Give them the care they deserve, with safe food, smart placement, and daily love. Join me at Birds Heaven Care, where we teach natural bird wellness, safe feeding, and DIY care that works. Tap subscribe and become the bird hero your garden needs. Let's nurture wellness, one feather at a time.